The CDC says older adults are at a higher risk of getting coronavirus. Blake Lipton continues our team coverage. He learned how one community is promoting awareness among seniors.
Sarah, the Journal of American Medical Association showed patients between the ages of 30 and 79 make up nearly 90% of COVID-19 cases. We were on hand as local seniors voice their questions regarding the virus. Thomas Kelly is more than 70 years old and is concerned about his future travel plans, knowing older adults are at a higher risk of getting infected with coronavirus.
I think I might hold off. We just canceled the trip to the ETSU Southcom conference because of the number of people being there. So that's been a concern.
Robert Holland is also taking precautions.
I don't shake hands with people. I don't get close to people. I don't want people to touch me because of that.
ETSU infectious disease physician Dr. Demetria Macariola answered questions from community members like why older adults are more susceptible to getting coronavirus.
There are some speculation that some seniors, it might be that their lung function is not really that 100%, working anymore. Some of the seniors in China actually have some underlying lung problem, like probably they have been smoking or something, or they have heart disease.
The CDC recommends facilities like the Johnson City Senior Center post signs instructing visitors not to visit if they have symptoms of a respiratory infection, ensure sick leave policies allow employees to stay home if they have symptoms of respiratory infection, and monitor symptoms while making sure appropriate infection prevention practices are in place. Because the older adults are at a higher risk of coronavirus, Dr. Macariola says the elderly should avoid international travel and stay away from large events.
It will be hard to maintain that 6-foot zone from one person to another.
And Dr. Macariola says if you have any exposure with the coronavirus or symptoms, to self-isolate for 14 days and contact your local health department.
We are providing an outlet for you to get your questions answered about coronavirus. Email your questions to questions@wjhl.com. Experts are going to join us to answer those questions in a special News Channel 11 presentation called Monitoring the Coronavirus, Asking the Experts. Make plans to join us Thursday at 5:30.